Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a Temu haul. I've got several packages here, so what we're going to do is move these on and we'll just have one package at a time. I've no idea what's in these because I ordered them a while ago and I've been away and they've been sat here waiting for me to come and open them. So let's move them out of the way and do one parcel at a time. So let's dive into the first one. This first package I purchased because I'm actually doing a craft fair, and while I'm there I wanted to present them with the buy something in some nice packaging. So we've got these Christmas style tissue papers and they're in different colours and they've got different like patterns on, spots and stars and stuff, and they're all in gold and black, and I got 2 of those. And then I also got some in Christmas colours and I've got 2 of those. And then I got some little bags to put the items in. And I've got even smaller bags to put the items in, and they're just black and it says thank you on it. I just thought it was just a nice little touch. I also bought a receipt book, which let's have a look at this. So it just gives you the receipt for you and the receipt for the person who's bought it, because I'll be making them to order the items I'm doing so that they can keep that and I know which one is theirs. So we've got 2 of those. I got a little pack of bows. Let's take one out. They're just cute little bows and I wanted some in navy, and that's because I've been making these little decorations for the actual craft fair. These bows are a little bit bigger, but I still think they'll go, and I didn't have any navy ones, so we've just been making them, and they're going to go on these Christmas decorations here, so it matches in with the blue. Next thing I got is some of these little bags, so they can put the tumblers and stuff inside the bags. I think I got 2 lots of those, I did. Another lot of small bags as well. And then I got some fillable baubles as well, because I couldn't get them in Hobbycraft. Unfortunately I couldn't get the size I wanted, so I had to go slightly smaller. So that was that first package. Let's open this one. Right, so this first one, Christmas decorations again. I'll just open it and show you one. So it's just like little angel wings, and then you get a little heart that you can place on top, and you can put a photograph of it. And I thought these was perfect for loved ones that have gone, but we still want to add them to our Christmas tree, so we could put a nice picture on there, and then you glue it on there, and then here is just the double-sided tape to attach it, and they're just so cute, and I just thought it was a perfect way to remember a loved one. So that was that one. Then I purchased 40 coasters, and these are white on the other side but cork on this side, and I've been making quite a few coasters and they turned out really nice. I'm hoping these ones will again. So there's 4 packs of those, and I can't remember what's in this one. Round coasters. So we've got square coasters and round coasters. Pop them there. We've got our third package. I got more of these fillable baubles, so definitely should have plenty of those. And then I got a package of these cosy things that you put around your drink or your cans of pop or whatever, so you're not getting cold hands. So I'm going to make some of those up in Christmases, and they'll be perfect for the Christmas season, for the drinks and for the summer or whatever, just so your hands are not getting cold. We can personalise them, which is great. And all these is sublimations. Not too sure what's in here, I can't remember. I just bought some of these little stands here that I could place my cards on that I've made, but I didn't get a chance to making them. I doubt I'll have a chance to make any now as well, but I'll try, and if I do get a chance I've got those as well. Then we're on to the last pack. So we've got more fillables, baubles, but these are like a light bulb type of bulb, so they was a bit different. Not too sure what this is. Alright, I bought some more bowls. I do think that these are probably going to be too big to go on the baubles, like the little Christmas decorations. Unless I made the picture smaller, they're definitely going to be too big, but I'm sure I'll find a use for those. I've got Christmas baubles that are like round but they're flat, so we've got a pack of those as well. And then we've got little creamy, well I think it was classed as champagne bowls there. Get everything out. And we've got some pink bows, some holly leaves, some silver bows, some red and green bows because I could struggle to get that kind of green, so I had to get a mixture, some white bows and some red bows. And then the last thing is some more of those Christmas decorations so that I can sublimate even more. So that's it guys, that is actually my big haul from Temu. Really loving it. If there's anything on it you would like me to show you how to do it, how to sublimate on it, obviously the baubles, that's going to be sublimated via vinyl with Cricut and stuff, not with ink. But yeah, I'm going to have lots of fun making all this lot, so if you want to see anything just let me know. I would love it if you would please leave a comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, anything. And that's it guys, I hope to see you in the next video and I hope you have a nice Christmas. Bye.